Our new house came with these 15-foot mystery slabs tucked neatly under a tarp in the backyard. Follow along as we work to reclaim this wood in our workshop. And let us know what you think we should do with this wood once you see the finished cuts. We'd love to hear your ideas.
Alrighty. What? Is this walnut? This is walnut. It has to be walnut. Like, and 3/16. Holy.
After a few calculations, we realized that the mystery slabs in our backyard were actually 45 board feet of black walnut. We continued this process until we had smaller, more manageable pieces of wood to work with. You'll see us using our Milwaukee barrel grip jigsaw here. This was actually a recent purchase, and we're really happy that we had it for this job. It made quick and easy work of the cuts. As you can see, these boards are roughly 12.5 inches in width. That measurement is going to vary for each piece because the slabs themselves were pretty rough cut wood to begin with. The plan here is to take off about 1/4 of an inch from each side and square up the boards. We'll go ahead and break them down further from there. As you can see, we chose to use the bandsaw here. We probably could have used the table saw, but given how old and warped this wood was, we just didn't feel comfortable and felt that the bandsaw was probably our safest choice. Now that each board has a nice clean face, we're starting to see a bit of consistency between each board. In retrospect, we definitely took a lot of time here, making sure that we sorted these boards out and got like-sized pieces and ended up with some pretty consistent measurements. For boards that cost money, that would be a lot of time spent for something that could ultimately change as it continues to rust and lose moisture. But given that these boards were free and found in our backyard, we felt like this was a good use of our time. Next is back to the bandsaw to cut these into 2 to 3 inch planks. Next up was a little bit of time with the planer. Now it's time to measure the moisture level in the wood. As you can see, we're on the high side here at about 33%. These boards definitely have a lot of drying and resting to do before we can use them. It's important to let the wood dry and achieve a low moisture level before using it. Using a moisture meter like this one can definitely help you know that you have the correct moisture level before moving forward. We'll drop a link in the description below if you want to check this one out. Thanks for following along. We'll see you next time.